Bank of Africa, Citibank, and other US financial giants are entering the stablecoins world. Yes, the same bank that once criticized crypto are now diving in fast. Why? Because major crypto regulations are coming, and the race to control digital money has officially begun. In this video, I will break it all down. Why US banks are suddenly launching stablecoins, how this will affect your money, and what smart investor should be doing right now. Let's get into it. Stablecoins are digital currencies that are pegged to a stable asset, usually the US dollar. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which go up and down daily, stablecoins are aimed to stay well and stable. One stablecoin equals $1. They are used for fast payment, global transaction, and now even bank issues financial tools. Right now, we have coins like USDC by Seco, USDT by Terra, BOA decentralized. But guess who is next? Bank of America, Citibank, JP Morgan, and more. Why are traditional banks who once won us against crypto suddenly building their own stablecoins? New crypto regulations are coming. The US government is working on the tighter rules for digital currencies. Bank wants to stay ahead by launching complaints, regulated stablecoins. They don't want to get left behind. PayPal already launched PYUSD. JP Morgan launched JPM coin. If banks don't innovate, fintech and crypto firms will eat their lunch. Their big money is stablecoin. Think about it. Lower transaction fee, international payments, new revenue from blockchain, base leading. It's a smart business move. Control the rails, control the money. How does this affect you? Is faster money transfer? No more waiting 3 days for a wire. More security, regulated digital access, potentially high interest rates, and tokenized savings. But there's also a risk. These stablecoins are centralized, meaning banks control them. That's the opposite of what crypto was built for. Some call this DeFi, going corporate. Here is what you can do to stay ahead. You have to learn stablecoin, USDC, JPM coin, and soon maybe BOA USD. Watch for latest news, business, and platforms that accept this coin. Stay informed about crypto regulation. The law could impact your wallet or investments. This is not just about crypto, it's about the future of money. This is not just a trend, it's the beginning of digital banking. Expect more. Bank-backed digital wallets, cross-border trade using stablecoins, tighter government involvement in crypto. The financial system is changing fast, and stablecoins are at the heart of it. So, what do you think about it? Are you excited or worried about banks jumping into stablecoins? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is still thinking crypto is just a hack. The big bank clearly don't. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next breakdown on digital finance and how it affects you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.